Hello students, a warm welcome in my YouTube channel. As you know that pediatric classes they are going on. In this video we will be discussing about midday meal program. It is also known as school lunch program. This program was launched in 1961. What were the objective of midday meal program? One is to improve the school enrollment because the students they will be coming for the food in the school. So that's why they will be involved into the school. Second is to reduce dropout. Third is if the children they are eating food, their nutritional status or the malnutrition can be prevented. So these were three objectives of midday meal program. Now we will be discussing what are the guidelines for preparing midday meal. One is the food should be a supplement, not a substitute of a home diet. Sometimes parents what they are doing, they are not providing food to their child because they are telling that you will be getting food from the school. But the midday meal it is a supplement, that means additional food we are giving, it should not be a substitute. Parents should give additional food or home diet to the child also so that the nutritional status of a child can be maintained. Second is food should provide at least 1/3 of total energy and half of the protein. The cost of the food it should be low. Meal easy to prepare, locally available foods to be used and menu should be frequently changed. So these are the guidelines of midday meal program. Now who are the beneficiaries of midday meal program? The school age children, mainly 1 to 8th class. Now we will see the meal plan for a day. The food stuff it includes cereals, pulses, oil, fat, leafy vegetable, non-leafy vegetable, milk. So the cereals that we are giving through midday meal program per gram per day per child is 75 gram per day per child. The pulses 30 gram per day per child. Oil and fat 8 gram per day per child. Leafy vegetables 30 gram per day per child. Non-leafy vegetable 30 gram per day per child. And milk is 150 to 200 ml per day per child. The total energy that we are providing to the child is 300 kilocalorie of day. The food grain that are giving to a child at the rate 3 kg minimum per child per month. The energy that the child we are giving through midday meal is 300 kilocalorie per day per child and 8 to 12 gram of protein per day. Now the midday meal scheme has been revised in 1995. The objectives were the same, that is universalization of primary education or the basic education by increasing school enrollment, retention and attendance and focusing on nutritional status of a child. This midday meal program was again revised in 2004 where it was implemented in 2408 blocks in first year and gradually in the whole country in 1997 and 1998. There are some suggestions when we are preparing the food or the meal for a child. Some of the suggestions that has been included. One is the food should be stored in airtight container. Second is use whole wheat or the broken wheat. Rice should be parboiled or unpolished. Cereals and pulses, the combination should be used. Sprouted pulses can be included. Wash ingredients before cooking. Avoid overcooking. Avoid reheated oil. Cooking must be done with lid to avoid wastage of nutrients. Use only iodized salt. Leafy tops of carrot, radish should be used in cooking because if we are following these guidelines for preparing the nutritional food, what is going to happen? The child will get all the nutritions from the food and the malnutrition status of a child can be improved. So this topic was related with midday meal program. Thanks for watching. Do like, comment, share and subscribe.